Are you dreaming of studying in a top university in the USA for your master's degree? Well, you're in luck. In this video, I will reveal the secrets to improving your chances of getting admitted to a prestigious university for your MS program. So, grab a pen and paper and get ready to unlock your path to success. First off, it's crucial to start early in the process. Research, research, and research. Find out which universities offer the program you're interested in and start gathering information about their admission requirements. Next, focus on your academic profile. Maintain a high GPA throughout your undergraduate years and ace those standardized tests like the GRE or GMAT as well as the TOEFL or IELTS. But don't stop there. Engage in extracurricular activities, volunteer work, or internships that align with your field of study. This will show admissions committees your dedication and passion. Now, let's talk about the importance of recommendation letters and a well-crafted statement of purpose. Choose recommenders who know you well and can speak to your academic and personal strengths. Your statement of purpose should reflect your passion for your field and how obtaining a master's degree will help you achieve your career goals. Moving on, make sure to showcase your research and publication experience. Participating in research projects or publishing papers in reputable journals can significantly enhance your application. This demonstrates your ability to contribute to the academic community. Additionally, don't underestimate the power of networking. Reach out to alumni of your desired universities, attend career fairs, or connect with professors. Building connections can provide valuable insights and even potential recommendations. Lastly, carefully review and revise your application materials. Double-check for any grammatical errors or missing information. Your application should leave a lasting impression, so take the time to make it flawless. Remember, getting into a top university requires hard work, dedication, and perseverance. But with thorough preparation and following these tips, you can significantly increase your chances of success. So, start taking action now to unlock your path to MS success in top US universities.